Hello and good day to everyone. We are third year college students from Our Lady of Fatima University, and we are about to present to you our project entitled An Online Booking System with Driver Tracking for Honor Howling Services. My name is Carl Axeltan.
My name is Annelene Kulala.
My name is Chaska Tabada.
My name is Kyle Craig B. Jurado.
So now let us proceed to tackle the system. So first and foremost, of course, as a user, I'm gonna need to create my account. So I will sign in, but let's just cancel that first. I'm gonna put random names here just to show you that it is working. And of course, our phone number, select region, let's say NCR, province of Manila, city of Manila, and barangay. And in this portion, we're gonna need to input our exact address. So for example, 349, and of course, email address and password. Let's choose our own. Let's say hello world 123 masters. Hello world 123 masters. And of course, if you remember the terms and conditions, we're gonna need to agree to the terms and conditions and create an account. So registration successful. Now we're gonna need to verify our account, which will be emailed by the system. Now that we have verified our account, now we're gonna need to log in. So password, hello, again, hello, 123 password. So upon logging in, here is our dashboard. The dashboard for customer side. So now we're gonna go in the profile section. As we can see, here is our profile, and in this portion, we can edit our user details. For example, I want to edit my address, 349. And profile updated successfully. In this portion, this is just a schedule history upon having a booking request scheduled.
So when it comes to our services, here's what you can see here. These are the services the company offers. So we have the point-to-point, inter-island, and the multi-point. To book, you have to click this Get Instant Quotation or code. So once you click the Get Instant Code, you will see this, the form where you can fill the booking. For the type of wheeler, you can choose here 10, 4, or 12. For me, I will pick the 12. For the pickup location, I want to put Cainta. And for the drop off, I want to put Antipolo. Antipolo. For the weight, I'll put it as 10,000 kilograms. For the distance, it will calculate automatically, and also for the price, you just have to pick up the date and time and submit. There. In your schedule history, it will show there your booking details. You can view the routes like that. For our About Us page, you can see the company details like how they start, their mission and vision. Yeah. For the Contact Us page, you can reach out to the company directly. by sending them email. You just have to fill up this form, your name, your contact number, and your company name if ever you are in someone's company, and your email where they can contact you, and your message to them. For example, I want a quotation. And just click submit. And lastly, for the frequently asked questions, customers can look for this for their questions to the company. Here you can see how to book via an air hauling services web app. It will give you instructions and what are the services they offer, the trucks, the available payments, and what is their office hours. That's all.
So this is the main dashboard of the admin side. This is where we can see the list of booking. And just like looking at the dashboard, so we can see the approved bookings, ongoing bookings, pending bookings, and declined bookings. So let's go to the select action button. So this is something that give a quick control over each booking. So I'm gonna click this, and then you can see as this approve, decline, and mark as complete. So when we click the approve, so it will show the pop-up. So when we click yes, and then it show update successfully. But when we decline, it will show this. So we can enter the reason of declining. So let's put this. So as you can see, it says update successfully. So going to manage driver, so this is where we can manage the driver to assign the booking. So let's say this. So assign job. So as you can see, job assigned. And then we can view the route. So as you can see, this is the job details and the map.
Now I'm gonna explain to you how it looks at the driver dashboard. Here we have all the listing of the ongoing bookings. Now, when we press view route, it will show the route that has been assigned to the driver. And then when you start navigation, it will show my location, going to the pickup, and then drop off. And then when I'm close to this, to the pickup, I'm just gonna pick complete pickup. And then after that, complete drop off. Then after completing it, you can press this and then status updated successfully completed. Here in earning history, we have all day completed and the monthly earnings. And that's all.
So that's all for our presentation for our system. I hope you liked and understand it. Once again, my name is Annalyn Kulala.
I am Carl Axel Tan.
I'm Cheska Tabada.
I'm Cal Craig B. Horado.
Thank you and goodbye.
Bye-bye.